Your slide deck, your frameworks, your 5-day strategy sprint, can an algorithm do all of that better than you? Management consulting is a $300 billion global industry. It's built on brainpower, prestige, and the promise of transformative insight. But AI is now drafting strategy frameworks, benchmarking competitors, and building financial models in minutes, tasks that used to take analyst teams weeks. The big firms know it. McKinsey, BCG, and Deloitte are all racing to embed AI into their own workflows. So, will management consultants survive? Let's be honest about what AI is already replacing. Data gathering, market sizing, and competitor benchmarking, all automatable. Slide deck drafting. Tools like ChatGPT and Copilot can produce a first cut in seconds. Financial modeling and scenario analysis, AI handles these with frightening accuracy. The classic junior consultant grind, the 80-hour week of research and decks, is genuinely under threat. Entry-level hiring at top firms is already declining. So how do you stay ahead? First, become the firm's AI expert. The consultant who knows how to prompt, validate, and deploy AI tools will be irreplaceable. Second, double down on client relationships. AI cannot build trust over a dinner in Mayfair. Third, specialize in execution and change management. Strategy is cheap. Getting organizations to actually change? That's still deeply human. Lead with judgment and experience, not just data. Will management consulting be obsolete by 2030? Absolutely not. But the pyramid will flatten dramatically. Fewer analysts, fewer junior associates. The consultants who thrive will be those who wield AI as a superpower, not those who ignore it and hope it goes away. Adapt, specialize, and build what AI cannot replicate: trust, judgment, and human connection.